my lock. Now, I do believe that the pins on the extractors, or has extractors on both sides of the bolt, and the pins have to be driven from the bottom as they're flared or they're tapered, so they won't come out if you punch this way. You're gonna have to punch that way, and we will attempt that. Punch one at a time. Place your finger on the extractor that you're removing and leave the pin in place so nothing will come flying out. This is just pure research on my end. This is my first time taking this thing apart. Okay, so what do we got? How do these go? Okay, so there's a mark on the bottom. I don't know how well you can see that, but this end of the extractor goes down. That's a spring. It's just filthy. At the other side. Now that really helps. Did have it soaking in some Croil. It's another pin. As you can see, I don't know if you noticed, the pin has a right there. That how it goes. The notch goes from the top as such. Alright, so this is the right side. This is the left side. Try to keep the components for each side together. Alright, the firing pin retaining pin, I don't know if this bolt is even usable, but we'll diagnose that. Same way from the bottom through the top. So flip it upside down. Pin. It's not spring loaded, but it helps if you have the pin all the way in. Let's see what that did. Not even there. Oops. There you go. So the retaining pin for the firing pin, this small. Also, we gotta make sure that that is the last thing to go in. Again, insert it from the top. Remove that. Do not know if the locking, oh, there you go. Yeah, that is stuck. That is hugged really, really tight. And you can see that right there is where that capturing pin goes. Try to pull this out. Alright, this is going to fight. There you go. Wow. I don't know how healthy that is, and why all these marks are on it. I don't know if it's a file, sander, what is going on here? The back of it looks healthy. The front of it It's not too bad. But we'll check it for tolerance and protrusion. Keep those together. Alright. Now this pin, as I read or seen, is going to fight. So place it somewhere where it can go and grab a bigger punch. This one. Oh, that's a better one. Check in progress. Yep, it's coming out. It's coming out. Alright, when the tone changes, it's time to stop. Alright, where is it? There it is. And you can see the grooves on the side of this pin. These grooves makes the middle of it larger in size. So we will capture this piece in the middle while keeping it swinging. Pretty neat. Other than that, that's the bolt.